Before you leave, please tell me something, Ratul. What shall I tell Shri? Brother, won't your marriage last? Please tell me the truth. Please.
I don't know, Nanda. I really can't say anything right now. I want to stay alone for a few days so that I can answer your questions properly. I know you have a problem because of me and everybody is disturbed, but you know me very well. I really can't do what my heart doesn't accept. When I went to work, I got this offer and I accepted it. I accepted it without any thought. I was so rude to Shri at the Monohara house yesterday. I was very rude. But Shri did not retaliate at all. I feel so miserable, Nanda. I feel very miserable. I can't accept this marriage. At the same time, I can't ignore the commitment.
Nanda, ask him what he plans to do with Sri. I don't understand these complicated things. Mom will soon hear about all these things. Ask him to tell us what we are supposed to tell her. Will mom be able to forgive herself? She had a lot of faith in her younger son.
Brother, please give me some time. Please try to understand. Till then, take care of everybody. Please. It's a request, please.
Nanda, they know only one word, and that's please. If they utter this word, you have to do what they want. I just can't bear all this. On one hand, Siddharth and Mithai are getting divorced, and on the other hand, he's doing all this. I really salute all of you.
Listen, Mithai. Please do remember something. Irrespective of what happens, we will be always with you. You and brother Sid are getting divorced, but you'll always be our sister-in-law. Isn't it, Shri? Nipa, am I right?
Sandy's absolutely right. You know what, Mithai? I still feel that brother Siddharth will withdraw the case at the last moment and all this is not worth it and cancel it. All of us enjoyed so much together. But look how things have changed suddenly. Sister Nipa, why are you crying? Please don't cry. Don't cry. I'll come here to sell sweets even after going back to Jonai. I'll come and meet all of you. Mithai, I'll go and serve tea to Grandpa and Grandma. Just a minute. Sister Shri, your elder brother Sid is reading the newspaper there. Go and give him a cup of tea. He'll soon stretch his hand out to grab his cup of tea. I told you, right? Go and give him the tea.
Mithai, you are so concerned about his needs and comfort.
Shri, go and give tea to Brother Sid. He'll never value the care and concern Mithai shows.
Shri, tell Mithai that we have to leave at 9 a.m., okay?
Listen, Nipa, I want to. Hey, look, Brother Rajiv is also here.
Hey, Brother Rajiv, the tea is ready. Sister Shri, please serve tea to everybody.
Has Ratul arrived safely?
I don't know, Siddharth. I did not speak to him. Nanda had called him. I did not call him.
Yes, he has reached. Shri, I'm sure he will call you once he settles down. It's okay. You have already spoken to him. I'll go and serve tea to Grandpa.
By the way, are you coming to the court? I assume you'll accompany Mithai.
You don't have to accompany me, Brother Rajiv. Mithai can manage everything. And besides, Uncle Bishwas will be waiting outside for me. Why will you go there unnecessarily?
You've started overacting again. Rajiv, ask her how many times she has been to the court. Does she know how to get there?
Brother Rajiv, who in this family has gone to court before? Mithai can easily find any address. Mithai is used to doing it. Mithai has delivered sweets to so many customers.
Do whatever you think is right. Okay, Rajiv, nobody should blame me if she gets lost. Tell her to get there within the stipulated time. Also, tell her to carry her mobile phone. Actually, do you know what? I can't handle unnecessary problems, so please make it clear to her.
Mithai has understood everything. Brother Rajiv, tell grandfather's angry grandson to finish his food quietly. Otherwise, grandfather will be upset.
I will decide if I'll eat anything or not. Disgusting.
Oh, my. Sid speaks a lot these days, but he always blames me. Sister Nanda, let's make the flatbreads for everyone.
Hey, I'll make breakfast. You go and get ready. Hey, Nipa, take Mithai with you and ask her to get ready. Hey, Mithai, I was saying, why don't you talk to Brother Sid?
What shall I tell him?
Tell him not to divorce you, Mithai. Mithai, look, Sid has changed a lot. If you talk to him once, he might change his mind. Why will Mithai talk to him? I agree that Sid has changed a lot. But I don't think he'll accept the marriage easily. Why will Mithai take the initiative to talk to him? Doesn't she have self-respect?
I told you several times not to mess with my belongings. I can't find my towel.
I put it out to dry on the terrace. I'll get it for you.
I can dry my wet clothes. I don't know why she touches my things. Nonsense.
Now. Mhm. Sandy. Sandy?
Tell me.
Oh, yes. This divorce cannot happen.
No.
Siddharth has completely become dependent on Mithai.
Not at all.
Hmm.
Forget it. I don't see any chance of the divorce being cancelled.
Do you all know what I think? I think it'll be good if they get divorced. At least after that, Mithai can start her own sweet shop.
Since when did you start thinking in this manner? After Ratul went away.
What do you mean? What are you saying, Nanda? I was just...
Listen, Nanda. If Sri has any plans in her mind to divorce Ratul, tell me then would that be wrong too?
Shri, why are you saying all this? Why are you saying this? In this house, Mithai and Sid are getting divorced. And now you are also. This is so disgusting.
Nipa, listen! Sandy. Hey, Sandy, please go and check what's wrong with Nipa. I did not think all this while saying it.
Sri, you never say anything without thinking twice. We all know this. Yes, I know that you were talking about Siddharth and Mithai's marriage, but can you say that you didn't think of your marriage even once?
Hey Shri. What's the problem between you and Ratul? Please share with us.
Seriously, Sandy? Sid and Mithai will go to the court now. And you want us to discuss all these things, right?
Rajiv, I'll leave now. Grandpa wanted to come to the court, but if he's not feeling well, then ask him not to come. Shri, tell Mithai to get ready. She won't go to the sweet shop today.
Brother Rajiv? Listen, we must go with Mithai.
That's good. Mithai, okay, come, we'll go with you. Nanda and Sri, if you want to go to the court, then come later with Grandpa.
Hey,
okay?
Brother Rajiv. I'll ride my bicycle, Munni, and go to the court. How can you come with me?
What?
Hey, Mithai, listen to me.
Mithai!
Please try to understand. Sandy, be quiet. Hey, Mithai, listen.
Mithai,
to me.
listen.
What I'm saying is, you can come with us in a cab.
No,
Right.
Brother Rajiv. The cab fare from here to the court will be quite high. I have my Munni.
Hey, what problem?
Hey, listen,
Where's
wait.
Mithai,
Mithai,
Mithai.
wait.
Listen,
Mithai, listen,
Mithai.
listen.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh no, what a problem! Will Mithai be riding on her bicycle over such a long distance? Hey Nanda, Mithai said that she could do it.
Yes, she should roam around the city riding her munni.
I have to ignore everything. I don't think I should be thinking about all this. Aunt repeatedly told me not to go with her in the same vehicle. I'm trapped in unnecessary problems.
Hey!
Hey, Mithai.
Mithai!
Mithai.
Wait! Mithai,
Listen,
wait.
listen.
Side,
Mithai, listen.
please.
Is this some kind of a joke, Rajiv? Do you think she'll ride all the way to the court? You know, I decide not to shout and react, but your genius is always doing something absurd.
What happened, Siddharth? Why are you shouting so much?
Don't ask, Som. Mithai said she'll go on the bicycle to the court and Sid got angry.
Shri, you're behaving as if I'm getting angry without any reason. Can't you see this nonsensical drama of this silly girl? What does she think? What time will she reach the court?
Our ride the bicycle quite fast and we'll get there in half an hour.
Half an hour. She'll reach the court on this bicycle in half an hour. Does she even know how to ride a bicycle? Invariably, she'll meet with a couple of accidents and damage a few cars on the way. The owners will yell at her and she will answer back. I assume she won't reach the court before evening, but that too only if she is fit and fine.
Yes, I mean, you are right. You're right. Mithai, how can you go to the court riding Munni? You won't be able to get there on time. You're going to the same place. Why don't you go together?
Yes.
No, Brother Sandy, Mithai won't go by any other means.
What did you say? Come again? Repeat it.
Mithai won't go by any other means except my Munni.
Seriously, huh?
Mithai is always serious.
Hey, Shri. It seems that Brother Sid is extremely angry.
Mithai, I told you you won't go anywhere on this bicycle, and that's final. It's a broken bicycle. She can't even ride it properly. Trying to act smart or what?
Broken? You think my Munni is broken? Never!
Be quiet, okay?
What's this? No, I won't go
Quiet!
in your car. I said I wouldn't go. I won't go. Leave me. I won't go. I won't go without Munni. Munni, I won't go.
Get in.
Munni, I
said
won't
quiet.
go without Munni. I told you that I wouldn't
Keep
go without...
quiet.
Sandy,
Tell
do
me.
you still think that they'll get divorced? The husband and wife held hands and went to the court in the same car.
Yes.
Does this case have any logic?
No. Hello. Siddharth forcefully took Mithai in his car and went to the court, Tosha. Yes. They went out just now. Yes, tell this to aunt. Actually, Tosha had called me to know when Siddharth would reach to the court.
Mithai wants to know why you snatched Munni away from her. I have travelled across the city riding Munni. Mithai's Munni has been repeatedly insulted. This is not acceptable to Mithai. Oh Lord! Now what's this?
This is called applying brakes. Do you get it? Just like this car, I want to apply brakes to your mouth. Can't you sit quietly?
Why will I sit quietly? How can I let an insult to Munni slide? You were repeatedly telling me I can't ride a bicycle. Why will say such things? Didn't Mithai ride across the city with Munni?
What do you want? Huh? You want me to drive back to the Monohara house so that you can ride your bicycle and come, right? Is this what you want? We should never do anything good to anyone. It's a fact. What if you meet with an accident on the way? What would have happened? Tell me.
Please tell me what would have happened.
You won't be able to reach the court, and my time will be wasted. The court proceedings are affecting my work big time. It's ruining my work, and I don't have any more time to waste, Mithai.
You are getting rid of a big problem in your life. That's definitely going to hamper your work.
I never had any problem, Mithai. Grandpa wants this divorce for your well-being. I don't believe in this concept of marriage, so it doesn't matter if I get divorced or not. But yes, you'll be free after the divorce. That's there.
You are right. I'll be free. It will be good. I'll go back to Jonai and make sweets with my uncle. Gulti will help me, my mother will scold me, and my auntie might reprimand me. But I'll be free to roam everywhere with my Munni. I'll get onto the train with Munni. The hawkers will shout that there is no place, yet Mithai will board the train with Munni and say, "Let's go, Munni." Really, I'll be free. It will be good. I can start my own shop. Nobody will mimic or disturb Sid anymore. Nobody will mess with his belongings. Grandfather's angry grandson will also be totally free. Grandfather's grandson will also be free, right? It will be very good. Come on, let's go. We are getting late. Both of us have to be free. Can I ask you something, if you don't mind, Sid?
Tell me.
After you become free, will you miss Mithai?